Remember I told you, I was being blackmailed by photos that you had in your phones. Photos I told you to get rid of. From the beginning we had disagreement. No photos, no image that can be traced back.
So now it's my fault. Those same pictures that you said you liked looking at, you enjoyed them. That's why I didn't delete them. Now you're putting it all on me?
Listen, I'm really not putting this on you. But you must understand, things got complicated. I had to do what I had to do. But of course, I did miss you. I miss you being my comfort. I missed your smile. I miss the talks. I miss you just being my peace of mind. My therapist.
And this is how you treat your peace of mind. Your therapist. You just discard her until you're ready to pick her up again. You have no idea how hard it's been for me. I had to be leaning on people for my own peace of mind. Not hearing from the person you love, the person you trust with everything. I gave you everything. You threw it back in my face.
For what it's worth, I'm truly sorry. But I had to lay low. There was even an article in the newspaper, everything. I had to sue. I'm sure you would have seen that I won. And of course, I'm going to have to go after this commission that gave them all this information. But I couldn't risk it being seen in the public with you. After all that was being rumored. Please forgive me.
I'm happy you won your case. And that you're going after the agency that tried to defame you. I'm just not sure there can be an us anymore.
Don't say that, Vanessa. How can I make it up to you? What about that trip that you always wanted?
Every time, stop. Don't try to buy me. You know me better than that. I need time. Space.
Vanessa, are you seeing someone? I'm sorry. Did you see a young man here today? One of your clients maybe with dreadlocks, slim build, fair complexion?
Everton, you just mentioned half the population of who comes through this place on a daily.
Okay. So are you saying this is it for us?
I'm saying, continue living your life, and I'll continue living mine. Take care of yourself, Everton.
Whisper. Wonder what you were here doing. What kind of scheme you're up to? Something's strange.
Very sharp.
Thank you. And you look very radiant.
Thank you. This is a very nice place. It's very tucked away.
Yeah. I guess that's why they call it incognito.
Yeah. A very fitting name.
So, would you like something to drink?
Yeah. I'll have red wine.
Okay, I'll be right back.
We should cheers. Cheers to new friendships.
I can drink to that.